building apps here at Yeti, we've sort of developed our own process over time on how we start to ramp up an idea, design it, implement it, launch it, iterate on it. When clients come to us, and a common question is really what is the process for building an app? How do we go about taking any sort of ideas or sketches that I've made, and really how does that come to life in a full functioning app that I could go to on my laptop or on my phone? So here at Yeti, what we do and sort of what we explain to our clients is our own sort of tweak or enhancement on Agile development, which is pretty common. So we call it applied Agile. And essentially, and again, it depends on where someone is with their product idea when they first come to us, and how sort of green the idea is, or how thought through the idea has already been. But our first sort of engagement and working through something is at least a handful of workshops and a sprint towards road mapping. So this could be this could be quite a lot of work for someone whose the idea is not well defined yet, or there's a lot of different ways the implementation of that idea could go. Sometimes it's a lot quicker and shorter for an idea that's already well defined before we can just get into design. So we do this road mapping sprint. A lot of it is workshops around just making sure we know the user personas, maybe empathy mapping, doing some sort of user journeying. We might do some storyboarding or shared sketching exercises. And from there, that leads into design, and usually try to create some sort of prototype using mockups, a design-only prototype. We usually recommend doing user testing with your design-only prototype to start to get some feedback. And that actually will feed into our development, where design starts to hand over what they've been working on and what has been finalized to development to start to implement. And so we do these in agile sprints. So we have 1 to 2 week sprints where people have tickets that they're working on, and we keep iterating. We iterate through design and development in these 1 to 2 week sprints. And the applied agile part of this is around taking a step back, looking at the roadmap that we're working on, where we're going, and seeing if we're going in the right direction, or if we've been going off direction, or maybe we need to slightly go in a different direction or tweak where we've been going based on maybe funding or investment reasons. Maybe a competitor in the market has come out. Maybe we did user testing and we learned, we got some large feedback that really would change the direction of where the app is going. And so we kind of have these more zoomed out meetings that are in this normal agile sort of iterative circular diagram that you might have seen before, which helps us try to get a minimum lovable product out sooner and earlier, but also keeping product strategy in mind, and we're not just focused too close to the ground where we're just sprinting week by week and not taking a breather to make sure the strategy of what we're doing is also still working.